In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a lead in Pipedrive. Keeping your leads list tidy makes it much easier to focus on real opportunities, and sometimes that means removing entries you no longer need. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, offer a few practical tips to avoid mistakes, and make sure you feel confident before you hit delete. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Pipedrive website. If you aren't already signed in, click Login. Enter your work email and complete your usual sign-in process. If your team uses single sign-on, follow that prompt as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll land on your Pipedrive workspace. Next, navigate to the Leads area. You'll find it in the main navigation, typically on the left sidebar. This takes you to the Leads inbox, where all your collected leads appear. Take a moment here to confirm you're looking at leads, not deals. Deals live elsewhere in Pipedrive and follow a different pipeline view. Now, locate the specific lead you want to delete. If your list is long, you can scan by name or use the search and filters to narrow things down. Before you proceed, double-check you've selected the correct entry. Deleting a lead removes it from your leads inbox, so it's worth confirming you're acting on the right record. Click the lead to open its detail view. You'll see the lead's information, including any notes or activities attached to it. If there's anything you might need later, consider copying it to a safe place first. This isn't required, but it's a smart precaution if you're unsure. In the leads detail view, look toward the top right corner for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More Options. Click that menu to reveal additional actions for this lead. Among those options, select Delete Lead. Pipedrive will typically ask you to confirm. Read the confirmation message carefully and make sure you're comfortable removing this item. If you're certain, confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the lead will be removed from your list. Keep in mind that deletions are meant to be final, so it's best to be deliberate here. If you don't see the delete option, you may need the appropriate permissions from your account admin. That's it. You opened Pipedrive, signed in, went to the lead section, selected the lead, opened the three-dot menu, and chose Delete Lead. Keeping your leads organized helps your team stay focused, and now you know exactly how to remove entries you no longer need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next walkthrough.